Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Jay Yudlovsky. Today I've got a Photoshop tip for you on how to preview layer blend modes. So let's jump over to Photoshop and check it out. Here we are over in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you this new feature that I learned about just recently. Here I've got an image open and I want to duplicate the layer, so I'm going to press Command or Control J to make a new layer here. And then I'm going to select my layer, and the really cool thing now that Photoshop can do is preview your layer blend modes. So I'm going to select my layer blend modes here, and as you scroll over top of the different blend modes, you can see what it's going to look like. Sometimes you're not sure exactly what a layer blend mode is going to do to your image, and being able to preview it just makes it quicker to flip through, find something that you like, and select it. So let's say maybe I wanted to make a few things darker in my image. I'm going to click multiply, and then you can come to your layer, add a layer mask. I'm going to grab a brush with the letter B. So in this case, I want to keep the sky dark, and I'm just going to brush over the bottom portion of the image here to brighten that up a little bit. And turn your layer on and off, and you can see the difference that the multiply layer style is making on our image here. So there you go, super easy, really helpful tip to preview your layer blend modes before you actually select one. So if you're into photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, and even a little bit of video and video editing, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.